If you're choosing between the Vitamix Propel 510 and the Explorian E310, you're not really choosing a blender. You're choosing how much effort you want in your kitchen and how much you're willing to pay to remove it. Today, I'll show you exactly which one makes sense for you and which one you should skip. First, performance. Both of these use Vitamix's high-performance 2-horsepower motor. Frozen fruit, no problem. Hot soup, made through blade friction alone. Leafy greens, pulverized. Real-world tests show excellent results with fibrous ingredients and ice. So if you're hoping one of these magically blends better than the other, that's not where the decision lives. This is where the Propel earns its higher price. It features 3 dedicated program settings: smoothie, frozen dessert, and hot soup. You can load your ingredients, select the program, and walk away to prep coffee or toast. The blender automatically varies the speed and shuts off when finished. It removes thinking from the process, and convenience always costs money. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description. The E310 doesn't hold your hand. Manual speed dial, pulse control. You decide when it's finished. Some people love that, others call it work. Propel wins for convenience and beginners. E310 appeals to experienced users who prefer manual precision. Both blenders share Vitamix's reputation for robust construction and long service life. Both come with a 48-ounce container, which is the sweet spot for 1 to 3 people. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more honest, engaging product reviews. The containers and lids are made from BPA-free Eastman Triton, which is a durable, heat-resistant plastic used across many Vitamix blenders. The lids form a 2-part seal with a removable lid plug and a dishwasher safe. From a durability standpoint, this is a tie. Choose between them based on features and workflow, not concern over build quality or lifespan. Discover the detailed features of both models by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by their unique features. The Propel 510 has a great balance of performance plus convenience features like blending programs and self-clean. It has a slightly higher price point than the E310. You're paying extra for ease of use. The Explorian E310 has excellent value for power with core Vitamix blending at a lower price. It is often a top pick for those focused purely on performance over extra features. However, lack of blending programs might make everyday use feel less convenient. If you're budget-conscious and enjoy manual control, the E310 offers strong value. If you want automation and everyday convenience, the Propel 510 justifies its premium. If you want the easiest one-button experience with strong performance for daily smoothies and soups, go with the Propel 510. But if you enjoy hands-on control and want the core Vitamix experience for less, the E310 is a brilliant choice. I've put links to both in the description. Comment below which one you'd pick and why.